Security ka kanba section thorangaloy na nakhuthokna bada sokpa Kuki Militant ahum rimsta puraktuna laingbagi thawong yaning de haina All Naga Students Association Manipur Ansam amadi Naga Women Union Manipur gi maike digi akan mamong da condemn tawrakli loina na security force na rimsta Kuki Militant ahum puraktuna laingliba sidagi thohaning daba thodok thorakpa taragadi Manipur amadi India lengak na daita pugadabani haina section wat thamlakli Manipur Press Club da pangthokpa pau gi mifam amada All Naga Students Association Manipur Ansam gi President TH Angtesang Maringna Naga Taruk Tamthina Hatpada Chenaba Singh Chayakpiyu Miyamda Justice Fanghalu Haiba demand Tauduna Lairibani Tanjasida Kuthoknaba Amadi Amada Sokpani Haiba Kuki Militant Ahum Central Force na Rimsa Lang Naba Purapagi Thawong Asana Khoisauna Duna Lairiba Miyamda Hena Sauna Bagi Machakama Oiragani Ngasi Security Force na Kuki Militant Singh Rimsta na treatment gidamak purakliba sigumna Kuki Militant Singh na Naga Micham Taruk Fakiba Matamda Jab Manana Thabak Tauramlabadi Mamal Yamlabunsi Taruk Kalamba Yabani Haiki Naga Taruk Hatpada Chenaba Miyoi Taruki Maming Matha Amadi Photo na Chingba Singh Kangpupi Police Station Amadi Concern SP Pi Kraba Fauba Miyoi Singasi Ngasi Fauba Fadriba Karigino Haiba Wahang Angetsang na Hangaladuna Naga Taruk Tamthina Hatkibagi Thawong Ngasi Lenga Sina Tarai na Lobigano Pukchil Singh Biu Miyoi Machat Nataba Crime Asida Chenaba Miyoi Singh Atubu Matam da Fanaba Investigation Chatabiu Haina Apple Tarakli
Ngasi Laidon Wi-Fi haiba khundagi thokhiba thaudok sida militants ni haina khutlai paibi singni haina chingna nangai oiba asok apan singse ngasi Imphal gi Rims Hospital da Indian Security Force na risk lauraga purakpa sida aikoina hangjani ba question adudi aikoi gi 6 hostages sing dabasung adumaina makoina government na thawai yauna risk laubiraga makoina protection adu pirambagadi khudong thibado thoklamoidra haina hainingi as a naga ama oina as a maitai ama oina aikoi irang sina maram oiraga mafam ama mawda chatpase athingba leiba matamda asumaina security force na full risk puraga rimsa purakpa ase yamna laibak thibani situation ase phattabanina mob ase mathang leibanina any untoward incident thokpa taragadi aikoi gi government na full responsibility ase makoina lawgadobani
The Sarukyakiba Naga Women Union Manipuri President Priscilla Tuimaina Kuki Militant Singh na Naga Taruk Tamthina Hatok Phikibagi Pena Jingaida Asokpa Kuki Militant Ahum Rimsa Purakpa Simak Naga Singhi Sentiment ki Mayoktani Sokliba Kuki Militant Singh adu Imphal da Purakpagi Mahota Atopa Military Hospital amada Puraga Layang Chathabasu Yai Thawong asana pendaba kaya lairiba miyamda hena sauhanba ama oiragani haiki Naga Taruk Fava amadi Tamthina Hatpada Chenaba Nupi Yauna Miyoi Kuntragi Maming Matha Piraba Fauba Matik Chava Action Loba Ngamdaba Sana Paliba Lenga Sana Wathok Asigi Matangda Kaya Yamna Thamoi Singh na Thabak Tawi Haibegi Matangda Wahang Lakli Naga Taruki Mihata Chenaba Miyoi Singh Top Militant Leader Oigera Top Politician Oigera Makoibu Faraga Logi Matung Ina Cherak Piyu Haina Taksilakli
Why these Kuki militants are still active here? Why the government is still looking upon them? This hostage pattern which has happened in Ukhrul district, if a stringent punishment were given at the time, these things should not be happened today. This is the weakness of the government, weakness of the MHA, weakness of the central government. How long are we going to see this thing as a drama? We don't take this as a drama. We take it as a serious case that will burn the state of Manipur. Government of India, bring down those involved in this crisis. Who are they? Women, more than 30 have been identified that they involved. Those 4 suspected, what is the status? Whether investigation, whether interrogation is going on or not. The sincerity of the government is very questionable. If it is not solved with transparency, do not think that there will be peace in Manipur.